Enemies. Slutty, bitch. Hey.
Alright, so the XP glitch map code is 482739
Bruh.
177735.
It's the same one. Never mind.
Oh, this one. Oh. I know this one. I know what to do.
Oh yeah, Lane.
Look, copy. There's an XP button. It says don't interact.
Oh,
There's
it
a
worked,
button right
it
here,
worked.
though.
And then you go here,
There's a button right
yeah, and then you hit don't
Don't
interact.
interact.
And then you
Yeah.
come back down here, and then it's secret XP. So then that works, and then we come back here. You can come over here. So I think it's this one. You come back over here. You hit this.
Wait, so what did we click?
You just jump on the thing, and then we're gonna come over here, and then you're gonna shoot these bots. Shoot the bots. Shoot the bots. Shoot the bots. Shoot the bots. And you just get mad XP. Look at this, 13,000 XP. So remember, you're gonna come to this map. I'm gonna put the code on the screen, and then you're gonna come in here. But you're gonna have to subscribe, like, and comment if you wanted to count. Look, 18,000. Look, we just double it right now again. Look, we just double it right now again.
Wait, so we just click that.
We're gonna come here and go back. All right. So do you need to know how to do it?
Yes.
Okay, follow me. So, come here, jump on this thing. Jump up. Then you see how you like that? Do you see the XP thing now?
Yeah.
Okay, now come over here, right here, and then look up and see the thing where it says, you see it?
Yeah.
Hit that. Then go over to the green. I'm gonna come over here with you. Stay there, stay there.
I already did it.
Oh.
I'll do it again.
And then you can come in here and shoot this dude too. If you shoot these down, you can get even more XP.
And then.
So hit the other save
Which one do I click? Do I click? Shh.
You can even shoot the chickens.
Got it.
And get XP. And look at all the XP. Yeah, we got 57,000 XP right here. Look, you gotta subscribe if you want this to work, and also hit that like button and let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. I got my homies in here. If you ever want to join to see if you can do it, then you can definitely do that. I'll let all the homies from the chat join, and basically, I'll help you get that XP. There we go again. And I do daily giveaways as well. Look, we're at 70,000. Come here, do secret XP glitch again. You just keep doing it over and over again until you get it. Then you're gonna come here, and what you want to do, this is where you will get the maximum amount of XP. Come here and just shoot these bots. Shoot the bots. Shoot the bots. Shoot the bots. Shoot the bots.
100,000 XP.
We'll see how much we can get if we stay in here for roughly 8 minutes. We're gonna keep doing this for 8 minutes. Shotgun.
It'll cap you out for the day. It's really long.
100,000 XP still.
So if you're trying to level up super fast, this is what you got to do. It makes it so easy. So if you need to learn how to do XP glitches, follow me. I also do videos on exposed hackers.
Like 8,000.
Extreme daily. Alright, let me get some headshots real quick out.
No scope.
Area, you get a lot of damage done. You get a lot of XP from killing these chickens.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do now.
Why shooting me?
Which chickens?
Look at all the XP we got.
I can't even see mine.
Come on, Brownie. Come on, look, I'm trying to shoot this thing. I just let you join and then you coming over here. Not even let me shoot that.
How much XP y'all got?
I'm trying to hit the big dude too. Trying to get that headshot.
Wait, where'd y'all? Oh, y'all went through here. Did y'all do launch pad?
Don't you get XP for doing the whatchamacallit?
Wait, how'd y'all get over there? How did y'all get over there?
I got like 50k, but then it reset.
And like, you can also like do this. See how there's a chicken spawn here? Just keep swinging in one place and let the chickens spawn.
Oh, we just leveled up
50k and then it
already.
disappeared.
You see that? We already leveled up already.
2 times. You were at like 81 when you started.
Oh, we just leveled up again.
I could just
83.
go AFK and just hold R2.
You hold down your shoot
Look at that,
button.
we've leveled up 3 times already and it's only been 5 minutes. Let's go back in here and see.
Oh, I leveled up again. I'm level 93. I did this earlier today, but it wasn't as good. I think you're in an older version, so it's much better.
Here we go with this again.
Like 100 a second now. My XP's gone down.
Also, the chickens are spawning under the map. That's why they sometimes disappear.
I can't kill them.
Well, you get XP for
Yeah, they're
resetting
under
the
the map.
builds too.
I think that resets everything too, because my XP just went down.
I mean, you just constantly getting XP in here, no matter what.
I hit it once, so I might be wrong.
Wait, how much if you kill like say if you kill like another player?
Let me kill you.
How much-
You get 11 per time you kill a player. I think.
So it's giving us the same XP as if we are killing a player. Because if you read the thing under the XP that it's giving us,
Let me get this line.
are these chickens that get spawned in? Yeah, and when someone resets builds, it stops everyone's XP. I think that's what's making it go lower. Just the resetting the builds.
Like, alright, we're almost done. We're gonna see how many times. Let's see if I can level up one more time. Or the 8 minutes is up. We're at like 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Well, that probably works for you easily because you're not at 3 digits yet.
We're gonna get about.
But I just hit 3 digits.
You always need a certain amount of XP if you're at triple digits.
Try to get to
Hold on,
84
see
before.
what you can stay here for as long as you want.
Alright, we're almost level up again. I'm gonna keep going till we level up again.
What was the point in that?
Started again.
Somebody keeps resetting builds.
Yeah, don't reset the
Yeah.
build.
You're not gonna lower.
If you keep jumping on this button, your XP keeps going up.
If you keep jumping on what?
This bud, my XP's going up like
Support a creator code.
If you,
yeah.
Oh, on this supported creator code thing?
My thing's going up by 100,
Let me try.
almost 200.
I'm getting like 20 seconds.
Oh yeah, that's like, yeah, I would just come in here and do this thing.
Hold something down in space. Oh, you can't do that actually.
I
What,
bet.
is that jump fatigue? I think there's jump fatigue. Yeah, it is.
Just keep jumping, keep jumping. We can get, I just want to get one more. like this XP glitch, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, turn on notifications, follow my Twitch, and then also I'm gonna put the map code on here and follow exactly what you need to do. Remember, once you come in here, you come here, you jump on this. Once you see the XP going up, then you're gonna come over here, hit this little magical button, and then after you do that, you're gonna go over here and hit the secret XP, and then you're gonna be right here. And then also you can do this as well. All of those things get your XP. Then you can land here and just go back and forth and hit the zombies. Come back and hit these spots and get maximum XP. You can go in there and kill the chickens or things. Oh god. So peace love, happiness, thanks for watching. Later.
Was that a YouTube video?
So guys, Minex won last time, and then he also won this time. So I'm just gonna gift him. I was supposed to give him 500 V-Buck, a gift for that, but we won the first game we played. We played very well, so I'm just gonna gift him now. So that's what I'm doing now.